Good morning, y'all. Today I'm gonna hop on here and do a quick cleaning motivation video. As you can see, my kitchen was quite a mess, and going here into my bedroom was quite a mess as well. We had family over, I have young kids, and we weren't quite caught up from the Thanksgiving holidays. So as you can see, our dishes are backed up. We just have snacks and everything on the counters when we had family over. Making ice cream this weekend, so we had a little ice cream sundae bar. So first here I'm going to put away all my stuff on my counter. I like to clear out the counter in the kitchen before I do anything. Get all the food put away. We don't have a pantry, so food tends to accumulate on the counters. Make sure all the trash and clutter is cleared off and kind of move the dishes into one area. It just makes me feel like I can get started because the kitchen really is my least favorite chore. So I just wash my hands before I touch the dishes because I have young kids and I just don't want any cross-contamination. Unfortunately, my video of loading most of the dishes got deleted. So here you can see I'm cleaning with Miss Meyer's Snowdrop soap. I like to give the sink a good scrub before I put any dishes in there to soak, or sometimes when I hand wash. As I said before, I really do not like cleaning the kitchen, so the Snowdrop scent in the Miss Meyer soap is really therapeutic for me, so it makes cleaning the kitchen a little less painful. So here I'm just getting the dishes ready to soak. Most of the dishes are already in the dishwasher. I had 2 loads worth of dishes today, getting caught up, so I was letting these soak for when I did a second load of dishes tonight after dinner. This is what the kitchen looked like. I ended up tidying up all the counters, making it look a little bit neater. The next place I go is into our little dining area. We have a small living space, and we like to keep things pretty minimal. So this is our breakfast nook, but it's also where we eat all of our meals. And you can see our coffee nook in the back there. And again, we have minimal Christmas decor just because we have such young kids. They usually like to tear down most of the decor they can get their hands on. So this place is pretty easy to clean just because it is so small and there's not too much here. There you can see I'm moving my kids' little cleanup set. We got the Melissa and Doug little cleanup set with a broom so that they can help clean or pretend to clean, and it helps them feel like they have some responsibility when they eat their meals with us. I'm just wiping down the table with a warm washcloth just because it's just a little bit of food. It doesn't need to be disinfected because I'm going to disinfect it tonight after I do the dishes again. I'm just wiping it down this morning just to kind of reset our house before the day begins and kind of reset from the weekend. I do not have a handheld vacuum that does the wood floors. I just use a broom. Because it's a small space, it works pretty well for us. And I do not see a need to use anything else, and the broom just works for us. Then I have a little bit of time left before I have to go pick up my kids. Normally they're with me, but today I had a little bit of time to myself after running some errands. So I decided I wanted to tackle the kitchen, the dining space, and our room before I went and picked them up. I'm putting the pack and play up here because my nephew is with us. I like to keep a pack and play for my boys just in case we have family or friends with babies that come over, or if we travel, and then I can use it for my youngest son at the hotels. Next, I have a basket of clean laundry that was in the corner of my room, but first I'm going to collect all the dirty laundry that's in our room, and then our hamper is in the closet there, and then I'm going to go to the bathroom and collect the dirty laundry from there, put it all ahead straight in the washer, and then get that load started so that we can stay caught up on the laundry. Laundry seems like that never-ending task, so I like to do at least one load a day. Next, I'm going to fold all the clothes that are going to be folded and then hang up all the clothes that are going to be hung up in our closet. We do not have a dresser drawer set, so we fold our shirts and jeans and pajamas, and those go on the shelves in our closet, and then we hang out the rest of our clothes. Right here, I'm just kind of folding haphazardly, so to speak, because a lot of these clothes I am giving away to Goodwill because I just did a declutter of my closet and I wanted to just wash them before I took them to Goodwill. So I went ahead and got a bag, and I just have a pile in my room as I declutter about every couple of months, just a few things, and then I keep a pile in my room and I do one big trip to Goodwill. Those two items I just showed you were a Scrabble game and bamboo toothbrushes, which were stocking stuffers, and a gift for my husband for Christmas this year. We're just trying to minimalize and get more practical gifts this year as we are on a budget. My vacuum is pretty old, but it is still working really well, especially since we have a big dog. Here I'm putting essential oils in my diffuser just to help the room smell nice. I'm using an immunity blend since it's cold season right now.
So in about a week here, I will be a full-time stay-at-home mom, but right now I'm still in graduate school. So my kids are actually at pre-K and daycare right now because this is my last week of classes. So this was my morning routine. I'm about to go do some homework and prep a few things for dinner. I'm gonna go pick them up and then bring them back home. We'll have dinner, we'll play, we'll do their bedtime routine, get them ready for the next day, and then once they're asleep, I'll either be able to get the rest of my homework done, send out emails, and then do my nighttime clean routine. Thanks for watching.